Okay guys, so today I'm just polishing the whole car, entire car. I got this side, most of this side already. Got the rear quarter panel, the two doors, that top part, the side skirt, and the front fender. Already polished. The car's been sitting outside for a while, and it's been on the rain and in the sun, so there's a lot of watermarks, and it's kind of I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's kind of dull. So there's some marks, some watermarks that don't come off as easy as I wanted to. So the polisher is doing the trick. It's getting most of it off. As you can see right now on this side, it's washed off, but it's continuing raining, so it's really hard for me to keep it clean. But over where it's polished, you can see it a lot better. Did the front now, but I've been doing it and then having to stop because it's raining again. So I started this side, I don't know if you can tell, but it started raining again. So it's going back and forth, and as soon as it stops, I hesitate for a couple minutes, and then I decided to go outside, and then the rain starts again. It seems like I'm calling the rain with trying to polish the car, man. Oh well. Yeah, so I did all the interior now. Detailed everything except the carpet. I still need to vacuum that up. And I missed the spot down there. Okay guys, so today I received the left taillight, and since the same person didn't have both of them, I had to order them separately. So the first one just arrived, and I'm waiting for this is the left one, for this one. I'm waiting on that one. So let me install this thing. Okay guys, so today I got the second part. After that one, after the taillight, and this is the rear bumper bracket. This one's used, and that's the one that goes behind here. That's why I didn't fasten the bumper completely, because I was gonna have to remove it later. And I got the taillight installed, but this taillight is not from the R line. This is a taillight for the BWCC, and I did a couple modifications for it to fit, because otherwise it wouldn't fit on it. Those were I think that was like $80, and this was another $80 if I were to get the R line taillight. They were like around $700 for both. I mean, I think they sell the pack of all the 4 taillights, and I was like, no, that's expensive. I'm not gonna pay $700 for some taillights. So they're the same taillights. The only difference I see is that this one's like a dark cherry color, and that one's like a bright red. But after I go get the brake and lap inspection, once it passes, I'm gonna tint the red portion of the taillights, or maybe the whole thing, is tint them just a bit, those, so they could match these ones, or maybe smoke all of them. I don't know, but we'll see. So right now I'm just gonna install the rear bumper bracket. Okay guys, so now we're on the trunk lid, and I don't know if you can see it. There's a big old gap on this side that was keeping I think this, I don't know if this is bent or this part is bent, but it's keeping the trunk lid open on this side, like higher. So I'm gonna see if I could remove this and try to bend this back or the trunk. This side seems to be tighter. So yeah, let me remove this and see if I could work something out. Okay guys, so this is how this side looks. But this is the worst one. This one looks pretty high from back here. From back here. So yeah, this thing's pretty. But let me see if I could do that and see if it goes down a bit. So guys, so this is what it turned out to be. I got it a lot better now. I can hardly fit not even have a finger. So still look a little bit, but same as this one. Just a bit off, but it's a lot better than what it used to be. Now I'm just gonna wait for that tail light and look for something to remove this glue. Okay guys, so this is where we're at with the BWCC. I left the trunk as it is. I just lowered it more to its little bit closer, but you can still see some little dents right there, and it still has the dents down there and a little bit on that side of the trunk lid. So I was thinking about leaving it that way, or maybe replacing it, but a local person liked the car the way it is. I told him I could fix that thing, just change it and add a new one, but he said he would, if he'd keep it, he'd keep it that way, and maybe in the future he'd fix it. So like I said, nothing else needs to be repaired besides that. And the tail lights on the original ones. Remember I told you guys these are the original ones, the darker cherry color one. These are the normal CC tail lights. They're hooked up, they're working properly. You just need a little modification for them to fit. Everything else looks okay. It's dirty, but everything looks okay. The trunk latch is pretty good. No problems with it at all. So the next thing to do is just wash it and clean the engine compartment. But that's about it. This is how it looks under the hood. It's pretty dirty, dusty. But we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna use this stuff, the engine degreaser, the gunk engine degreaser, and the engine protector. It gives a little shine. They look pretty cool. They look brand new once you're done using this stuff. So this is the way it looks right now, and you're gonna see how it looks in a couple of seconds. Okay guys, and this is how it turned out. Looks pretty clean. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so we are driving the BWCC. It drives pretty cool. I need some air on the tires, but this thing runs pretty quick, man. This thing's fast for a 4-cylinder. And right now I have it on just drive. I have it on sport. This thing picks up pretty quick. This thing's fast, man. It pulls hard. It pulls really hard for a 2.0 liter. Everything works fine. The stereo works good. The heated seats work okay. It runs perfect. No problems at all. I'm going to get the brake and lamp inspection on the Ford Edge back there. Yeah, guys, this is the BWCC. If I can stop in. Quick, man. If you guys got one of these cars, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, it's not the fastest thing, it's not a V8 or none of that stuff, but man, things pulls pretty hard. Let me know what you guys think about this car, how everything turned out. So there wasn't a lot of work that needed to be done to this car. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure this is it. Maybe I'll get a smaller video when there's a little bit more sun. It's kind of dark right now, so you guys can see when it's clean. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.